And hello from Manchester. It's an ideal day for football here at the Etihad Stadium. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And very much looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League. It is Manchester City versus Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed. Good luck.
Introducing the starting players for Manchester City. Ederson gets the nod in goal. Manuel Akanji plays with Kyle Walker as fullbacks. Kevin De Bruyne plays alongside Rodri in the centre of midfield. And lining up through the middle in attack today, Erling Haaland. The initial 11 for Wolves. Ruben Neves plays with Mario Lemina in the centre of midfield. And it's two strikers up front who'll look to provide the goal-scoring threat.
Ederson, number 2, Kyle Walker, number 6, Nathan Ake, number 3, Ruben Diaz, number 25, Manuel Akanji. Thank you for attending the Etihad Stadium. Enjoy the match.
Potentially exciting 90 minutes here, and Manchester City get the ball rolling. Ake. Kevin De Bruyne. Diaz. Alvarez. And it's Ruben Diaz. De Bruyne. Mahrez. On to Haaland. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Ruben Neves. And he's beaten him here. Well, defending always has to be a team effort. Good piece of covering. Well, you can't watch Kevin De Bruyne and not be impressed, I think it's fair to say, Stuart. What in particular do you expect to see from him in this game?
Well, he's such a natural finisher. He has everything a good goal scorer needs. Composure, technique and awareness. He will certainly need to be tightly marked today.
And the textbook interception. Now a potentially dangerous position for City. Hold on! Missing the target by a tiny margin.
Well, it's a difficult skill to get right, but he almost pulled it off there. He made such good contact with the ball.
Mahrez, and he's in. Oh, marvellous goalkeeping.
Well, it's a top-class save from a top-class goalkeeper. That's absolutely brilliant.
And over comes the corner. Didn't quite go to plan. Oh, the referee has given it. Penalty it is. Can he make it 1-0? In it goes! Calmly converted!
Well, here it is again. The keeper tries to read the penalty, but in the end, he just makes no effort whatsoever. That's a strange decision.
So the ball moving again. Will there be a quick reply from Wolves? There needs to be. Oh, in with a chance! And a goal! The quick 1-2, and they've turned this game on its head.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
So back underway with the lead standing at 2-0. Oh, that's a fine pass. Determined defending. De Bruyne. Walker. It is advantage Manchester City here. Well, beating his opponent. Gundogan in the centre. Well, that's the end of that for now. Well, the referee trying to play advantage there, but it wasn't forthcoming. They've given it away.
Well, City, as the stats highlight, have had most of the ball, and as a result have dominated the game. Some of their passing movements have been a joy to watch, and I don't think anything's going to change that.
Now can they win back possession and carve out another chance for themselves? The referee has decided to give the free kick decision the way of City. And he whips it in. Well, that is going to go down as an own goal by the keeper.
Well, here it is again, and quite clearly that's an own goal. He's a bit unfortunate, really.
Three goals without reply. What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. Lemina. Well, they have the ball once more. Mahrez. Here's De Bruyne. They're looking towards the back post. But at one point on its flight, I wondered if the keeper would have difficulties, but no problems in the end. He has teammates around him. Diego Costa. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Mahrez. Gundogan waiting for it. A decisive clearance it was. And he takes on the shot. Oh, that's textbook goalkeeping. Well, mopping up defensively. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? All hands on deck. A fine reading of the situation. De Bruyne. Riyad Mahrez. Walker. And a useful cross. Oh, blocked it! Mateus Cunha. An important interception. And he's through here. Still possibilities. Just cleared away in the nick of time. And so the first 45 minutes have come and gone here at the... This should be one to savour. So back underway, and no sugarcoating it. There was a big gulf between the sides in the first half. Will we see a response from Wolves in the second? Jimenez. Every goalkeeper would expect to catch that one. Rodri. Ake has it. Gundogan. And a poor ball. Really closing him down. Now, options are plenty. Possession changing hands. Ruben Neves. Mateus Nunes. Raúl Jimenez. He takes aim. And a little too close to the keeper in the end. Manuel Akanji.
From Grandad Stan and Gran.
Riyad Mahrez. Haaland. Chance for Gundogan. Keeper getting the touch. Oh, super header, but the goalkeeper was up to the task. Well, we're into the final half hour. Cunha. Well, he's going to be disappointed with that pass. Erling Haaland. It's with Gundogan. Well, that's wonderful attacking play. Can he finish? Determined defending. And we saw the situation developing. Walker. Ake. Jimenez. Unable to keep the ball. Well, let's get more details on the injury situation from our pitchside reporter, Jeff Shreves.
50-50 this one. He twisted his knee. He's been trying out, but I'm not sure he can carry on.
Cheers, Jeff. Oh, the threat is there. Well, they've won the ball back quickly. And he takes it on. But the goalkeeper didn't have to work quite as hard as I thought he might initially. And fed forwards. He just needs to remain icy cool. Well, it was down to whether or not he could beat the keeper, and that question has been answered.
Well, I'm all for players striking through the back of the ball with power, but he has to hit the target from there.
And into the last 15 minutes of action. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Plenty of support here. But the danger averted for now. Nunes. De Bruyne. Well, flinging himself at the ball. So the corner played into the box. And still dangerous. Threat over for now, it seems. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Haaland. Has a go. And that's the hat-trick. Tearing apart this defence time and again. They simply can't handle him.
Well, here's the replay. He's got such quick feet, hasn't he? Just look how he goes past his marker to get his shot away. That's a really good goal.
Well, if there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed. Well, not hard to read that pass. And plenty of scope to be creative in that wide position. Good-looking ball. De Bruyne. De Bruyne! And a fantastic diving save. Delivering it. Oh, there it is! It's one goal after another, and it speaks to the quality of that performance.
Well, here it is again. It's a well-delivered ball into the box, and then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
My goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. And that is that, full time here and a win for City. Your verdict?
Well, Derek, what a good performance that was. They did most things right, and their attacking play was inventive and had a real cutting edge. That was a really dominant display from them today.